Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2022 Lamborghini Countach. So let me tell you a sweet fact about Countach. Countach means wow. So that is the English translation for Countach. So that's how this particular Lamborghini got its name. So not exactly this one, the original Countach. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, here is a closer look of the box. And this is by Takara Tomy. Here is the logo. Okay, let's open it. Okay, there is nothing inside apart from the car. Okay. Okay guys, here it is. So I have the white color with me. So this looks absolutely gorgeous. So but Tomica is using the same wheel like they use in other models as well. So one thing I'm happy about is they didn't paint the headlights. It is actually some kind of glass or fiber here. The detailings are great. They have some engine detailings as well here. Hope you guys can see it. Let me adjust the light. Okay. So this is not their premium edition, so you can't able to open anything here. The tail lights are actually painted, but it still looks really amazing. Okay, here is the bottom view. Okay, this doesn't have any suspension or anything. So like I said, this is not the premium edition. Even in their premium edition, they don't have suspension or anything when it comes to Takara Tomy. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great if you guys subscribe and support me. So that would help me to put out a lot more great content like this. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.